Well, it rained yesterday, and you can see I got my backpack on there, my pack rack, and I'm going to see if I can make up for the mileage that I didn't do yesterday. It's about 50 degrees out, 1931, and I did bring my extra battery along. I'm going to get on my route, get going. Well, here's one of my many hills I run here. This one goes down and then it goes up to my biggest hill. I call it my crazy hill, and I can't do it while holding the phone, so I'll try to get a little footage here, but it's really a long way. That's pretty rough back there. The road was washed out. I wasn't ready for that. Looks like my bag is be on the lookout here for other places. Got a lot of rain last night. Well, I made the turnaround. Bag's still back there going good. And I think I made the right choice with my attire today. So, went about 5 miles now. And I'm steaming up my glasses already, so I'm working up some heat. So that's the thing, when it's cold out, you want to be a little bit cold when you first start, and then you warm up into it. Otherwise, you'll start to sweat, and then it makes things really miserable. Alrighty, head back here. Here's the hill on the other side. You really have to downshift to get up this. Pretty steep. Feel the burn. These hub motors for going up hills, they work pretty good if you get a head start and really go for it, but when you get in a long climb, you're doing most of the work yourself. It does help a little bit. But yeah, now we go down another one here. Here's another road I'll go down. Better put this away because it might be washed out. This is really muddy here, so I ain't gonna go down there. But wow. And back behind me, all washed out too. And I can hear water. I can hear water rushing. So yeah. As you can see, if I don't wipe out here, this road is pretty much washed out. Kind of hard to ride and holding this. Pretty much what I figured it'd be down here. It's actually worse than I thought it was going to be, though. This right through here, you can see I really scoured through this. Took out the road and everything. Okay. Took out this corner here pretty much too. Those are some big rocks, those ain't no little things. Okay, now, once I get back to the road, I'll spend the rest of the time on the road today. Just too wet down here. Got past the dogs. The dog on the corner there. And he's a big Rottweiler. I don't think he'll bother me too much, but he likes to chase me. Yeah, now we go down this brand new road. I like this road. I like this road. Nice and brand new. A little highway. Well, I'm no longer on my smooth road, but it ain't too bad. Not too bad at all. like going on these back roads because there's usually not very many cars. It's a lot less stressful. For me and the cars. Oh, it is cooling off though. I feel my sweat getting cold now. Probably the biggest danger on these back roads is aggressive dogs. Most dogs out on the farm are fat and lazy, and they can't get up enough speed to keep up with an e-bike. As long as you can get there before they do. The biggest danger is they get to the fork in the road before you do, and then you meet them on the road, and then you gotta go around them. But usually, by the time they see you, you're done gone. Well, I just made my switch, my battery switch. Had almost 18 miles. Went 6 miles onto my new battery, and halfway around my other route that I usually do. So, looks like I'll have about 30 miles today, so that'll be twice what I usually do. I usually do about 16 or 17. There you go. There's the sunset. The other day I was coming through here, going the other way, and right when I went under the railroad trestle, the train was coming. I never even knew he was at an intercept. A good thing it was underneath. There's where I ended up. 33 miles, I think it was. Something like that. I'll have to add it up later. I still got 3 bars left. Alrighty. Well, we got her done. Didn't get the ride yesterday, but made up for it today. I like the ride. A little bit cool at the end there, but we got her in the books. Getting close to 2,000 miles. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be doing my 2,000 mile review here real soon.